For the cat pose, you want to get down on all fours on your yoga mat, placing both hands right beneath the shoulders and both knees about shoulder width apart right below the hips. Feel free to tuck your toes in if necessary. You're going to inhale deep and then exhale as you push away from the ground, arching your back, sucking your belly in, and dropping your head down, giving ourselves a nice back stretch here. Feel free to breathe deeply into this pose a few times, or inhale as you return to neutral before exhaling and doing it again.